As an accounting software expert, I often encounter businesses seeking to streamline their financial operations. In today's digital landscape, many turn to integrated solutions that go beyond simple bookkeeping. One such solution that frequently comes up in discussions is Bookkeeper 360. However, the phrasing, "how to calculate Bookkeeper 360," suggests a common misunderstanding. Bookkeeper 360 isn't a calculation or a formula. It's a service and software platform. Therefore, the question isn't about calculating Bookkeeper 360, but rather about understanding what Bookkeeper 360 is, how its services are structured, and what benefits it offers. It's about grasping the value proposition of a modern, comprehensive financial solution. Let's demystify Bookkeeper 360. What exactly is Bookkeeper 360? Bookkeeper 360 is a financial operating platform designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. It combines dedicated human bookkeeping and accounting services with software tools and technology, aiming to provide a holistic view of a company's financial health. It's not a piece of software you install and manage yourself like traditional desktop accounting programs. Instead, it's a service model where you engage their team and use their integrated platform. Think of it as having a professional finance department for your business, but outsourced and powered by cutting-edge technology. They handle the heavy lifting of your daily accounting tasks, while providing you with dashboards and reports to make informed decisions. The core components of Bookkeeper 360. To understand what Bookkeeper 360 does, we need to look at its main offerings: cloud-based bookkeeping and accounting, daily transaction reconciliation. They link to your bank accounts and credit cards, ensuring all transactions are categorized correctly and reconciled daily or weekly. This is the foundation of accurate financial records. Accounts payable/receivable management. They can help manage who you owe, bills, and who owes you, invoices, helping with cash flow management. Payroll integration. While Bookkeeper 360 itself isn't a payroll provider, it integrates with popular payroll services like Gusto, ADP, QuickBooks Payroll to ensure payroll expenses are accurately recorded in your books. Financial statement preparation. They prepare your monthly, quarterly, and annual financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, profit and loss, and cash flow statement. These are crucial for understanding your business's performance. Advanced advisory services, often higher tiers. CFO advisory. This moves beyond basic bookkeeping to provide strategic financial guidance. This might include budgeting, forecasting, cash flow analysis, and helping you understand key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to your industry. Tax planning and preparation. While some basic packages might not include tax preparation, higher tiers often offer tax advisory services and even prepare your business tax returns. Payroll processing. In some cases, they might offer full-service payroll processing as an add-on or through partners. Technology platform and dashboard. Bookkeeper 360 leverages integrations with leading accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. They typically work within these platforms and then layer their own dashboard and reporting tools on top. The dashboard provides you with a clear, real-time overview of your financials. This isn't just raw data. It's presented with insights, graphs, and trends. You can see your cash balance, profit margins, key expenses, and often industry benchmarks. Key integrations extend to point-of-sale, POS, systems, e-commerce platforms like Shopify, and payment processors. How does Bookkeeper 360 work for your business? Instead of calculating Bookkeeper 360, think of it as subscribing to a service that performs these crucial financial functions for you. Here's a simplified process of how it generally operates for a client. Onboarding. You connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial tools to their platform. Their team gets to know your business, industry, and specific accounting needs. Daily/weekly processing. Their dedicated bookkeepers and accountants regularly categorize your transactions, reconcile accounts, and ensure your books are up to date. Reporting and insights. You gain access to their user-friendly dashboard, which presents your financial data in an actionable format. You can pull reports, track KPIs, and visualize your financial health. Advisory, Optional/tier dependent. Depending on your chosen plan, you'll have regular check-ins with financial advisors who can discuss your performance, offer strategic advice, and help with planning. Tax. Optional/tier dependent. If included, they will handle your tax filings and provide tax planning support. The value proposition. Why businesses choose Bookkeeper 360. Businesses don't calculate Bookkeeper 360. They invest in it for several key benefits. Accuracy and compliance. Outsourcing to professionals reduces the risk of errors and ensures your financial records are compliant with accounting standards and tax regulations. Time savings. Business owners and their teams are freed from the time-consuming tasks of data entry, reconciliation, and financial statement preparation, allowing them to focus on core business operations. Cost efficiency. For many SMBs, hiring a full-time in-house bookkeeper or accountant is cost-prohibitive. Bookkeeper 360 offers access to a team of experts at a fraction of the cost. Real-time financial insights. The dashboard and reporting tools provide up-to-date financial data, enabling faster and more informed decision-making. You move from looking backward at old data to actively managing your financial future. Strategic guidance. The advisory services offer a higher level of financial expertise than many small businesses can afford in-house, helping with growth strategies, budgeting, and forecasting. Scalability. As your business grows, Bookkeeper 360 services can often scale with you, moving to higher tiers as your needs become more complex. Peace of mind. Knowing your finances are being professionally managed provides significant peace of mind, allowing you to focus on running and growing your business. In summary, how to calculate Bookkeeper 360 is a question born from a slight misunderstanding of its nature. Bookkeeper 360 is not a formula or a number you derive. It's a comprehensive financial service and technology platform. It's about outsourcing your bookkeeping and accounting to a dedicated team powered by smart software, gaining a 360-degree view of your financial health, and ultimately freeing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. It's an investment in accuracy, efficiency, and expert financial guidance for the modern SMB.